In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Expert Option. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account, click at the very top of your chart where you can see your pairs, your instruments, whatever, and then you want to swap over to stocks here at the very top. You want to find the stock you want to trade. So for example, let's do Amazon for this instance, and you want to click on confirm. There you can, and as you can see right now, there's now your chart of that specific stock you selected, and then you can just go down here, select how many lots you want to actually buy. I'm going to do 5, and then you can see the investment here on the right. You can just click on place order. This is kind of your order summary. You could also set your auto close, which is the take profit and stop loss in here as well in percentages, for example, like this. There we go. And then when you're happy, you can just click on the confirm button and you've successfully basically bought a specific stock over here. You can see it inside your deals. There it is. There we go. So that's it. That's how you buy stocks. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.